I have tested a lot of red light therapy masks. Big brand names, small brands, everything in between. And for the past few months, I have really loved the INIA Glow wireless that they gifted me. That's been my top pick. And I just was gifted the INIA Glow 4D. This is their latest and greatest, and I am already confident that this is going to be my new favorite. Now in this video, I'm going to go over all the features and what to expect from this mask. Now to start off with, let's talk about the 4D part. And that's really that unlike so many of the masks that are just flat and just wrap over your face, this one actually has enough coverage that's going under your chin. It's getting your full jawline. But let me show you what I'm talking about. When I put this on, first off, it actually holds in place beautifully. It wraps all the way around the chin, and the way it holds around my eyes and my nose is extremely comfortable. And I'll be turning it on in a moment so you can see. But another great part is that the way the eye wrap is, I really don't see any red light with this. This is fantastic. So it's really giving me everything I need for comfort. Now let's talk about all of these LEDs. This has 320 LEDs, and most masks have like half that. So it has a ton of coverage. I wish they shared the iridescence. That's the one detail I couldn't find on this one, but the rest of the INIA masks have a high iridescence level, so I assume this is at the same level as the other ones. I'm not gonna name the prior levels just in case I'm wrong, but this has just remarkable coverage. And then you may see these pieces right here and here. These are actually little ice packs that you can have to soothe your eyes. Don't put them in the freezer though. Put them in the fridge because you don't want them too cold. And I really, really like these. They connect on magnetically and they actually have a little extra magnetic piece on them that you can use or not. When you have that on, it just means that this is going to push up against your eye a little more. And when you don't have that on, it will still connect to the mask, but it's just going to be a little less pressure, a little less cool along your eye. But I have been using these and I have loving how they feel along my eyes. They just really have that lovely, lovely comfort that I'm looking for. So this is a great addition. And then we gotta talk about the wavelengths. Now this turns on with this button right here. And when I turn it on, it's just gonna rotate through the different wavelengths. And right on the bottom is the USB-C port, so you can charge it. But just to turn on, you're gonna press this button right here. And your first option is the red light mode. Now this gives you the very well studied, well recommended 630 nanometer red light with 850 nanometer near infrared light. That's the norm, and I'm telling you right now, this is so much more coverage than I'm used to seeing on these masks. It's really impressive. But on top of the standards, this also gives you 940 nanometer near infrared light. This is the first mask I've seen that has two different wavelengths of near infrared light. Now, near infrared light is going deeper into your epidermis, and the 940 in particular is going even deeper. So this is definitely more focused on stimulating more collagen, getting more out of the deeper levels of your skin. And this is the mode I personally use, and I'm just gonna share exactly what INIA says here. This is best for mature, fragile, or aging skin with reduced thickness, fine lines, loss of elasticity. It's also great for sensitive skin, weakened skin barrier. And its key benefits are boosting collagen, reducing wrinkles and fine lines, improving skin firmness and elasticity, and strengthening that skin barrier. Now those bottom details there, strengthening the skin barrier and even talking to the skin barrier at all, is really about that 940 near infrared light. Those are new details for me. I'm really excited about that. So that's really cool. And then your next option is your blue light. Now this is your acne mode, and it again is using the well-studied, very proven 460 nanometers of blue infrared light plus the 850 nanometers of near infrared light. And then it too has that 940 nanometers of near infrared light as well. And this one is really, really focused on anyone who has any blemishes or are looking to prevent acne. It says right here, it's for oily, blemish-prone skin with active breakouts. And the key benefits for this one are really fighting that acne causing bacteria. That's what the blue light is going to take care of. And it also is going to calm active breakouts and help prevent future blemishes. And I am sure that near infrared light is working on that deeper level as well. Next one is your yellow or amber light, also known as brightening mode. Now this one is using 610 nanometer amber light plus the two near infrared lights, the 850 and the 940 again. And this one's amazing for helping soothe irritated skin. It's also really good for going over any hyperpigmentation and sunspots. And I personally love this mode after I do a microneedling session or anything where I need to soothe my skin. This is a really nice mode for that. And as INIA says, the key benefits are that this soothes and reduces redness, helps fade melasma and sunspots, hyperpigmentation, and restores a more even, radiant skin tone. So if you're looking for more evenness and that lovely brightening, this is the mode for you. And then finally, we have soothing mode. And I like to call this purple mode. It's a mixture of the 630 nanometer red light and the 460 nanometer blue light, plus both near infrared lights. And so this is really going after everything. It's hitting the anti-aging goals. It's helping deal with existing breakouts and preventing breakouts. This can definitely be your daily go-to. If I were younger and still dealing with acne, this would definitely be the one I use. But since I am older, I don't have any acne anymore. I just go for the anti-aging directly. But this is a really, really nice daily mode. And as INIA says, the benefits for this one are soothing irritation, helping balance oil production, refining texture, and promoting overall skin clarity. So this is really your well-rounded red light therapy. Now I do want to make it clear that I am just a product reviewer. I do not know for a fact whether this makes a difference, though I have read all the clinical studies and I personally have seen quite a difference as I've used red light therapy. Reason I'm bringing that up is that the 940 nanometer near infrared light in particular is not one I'm as familiar with. So I'm really going with what INIA is explaining on how that goes deeper and focuses more on collagen production. I don't know yet, and I haven't seen enough to confirm that. That said, I did just go to my dermatologist a couple weeks ago and asked her about red light therapy and what her thoughts were on it. And she confirmed everything that I had read, that it is fantastic, that it will do what is promised, but that you have to do it regularly, consistently. And if you're not doing it consistently, you're not going to see the benefits. This really is something that you need to be doing on a daily or 3 times a week basis. Whatever balance works for you, you really need to do it consistently forever. It's one of those kind of tools. So let me show you this on. And I am really, really loving, again, that I can wear this without a ponytail or anything else to hold it on my head. It will stay exactly where it is. It doesn't put any pressure on my nose. And when I turn it on, I just forget which side is the on button. This is how it looks. So my eyes are protected. There's probably the slightest redness at the bottom, but the reality is that is so, so nice. I feel really, really good with that. It's getting my whole chin. It goes all the way up my forehead and it goes all the way along the sides. So it's really, really that nice coverage all the way. And each of the modes has a different recommended treatment time, anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. So that's something to be aware of. Another piece is if for any reason you want to turn off that near infrared light, you can do that as well. When it's on, just double tap. And then the near infrared light, little light here, will turn off, so you know that's off, and then double tap again, and it'll turn back on. So if for any reason you don't want that, you do have that power. And then to turn off the whole device, you just hold down this button. Now, another piece I really, really love about this is that the batteries are built into the mask while not being heavy. That is such a step up. I love how much battery life it has. I also just love this, as most of the masks I've tested either have a removable battery, which is kind of a pain, or they have a battery on a long cord, which I'm always trying to figure out what pocket to stick that into or how to work with that cord. This is just a single piece. I am so impressed with this 4D mask. I will be switching to it moving forward. And if you've been looking for a really great red light therapy mask, I am so impressed with everything from INIA, and I know you're going to love this 4D mask.